Siargao, where we all long to be here, Governor, to the sporting event capital, not just of Mindanao, but of the country. This is a competition, but let this be a testament of
Vlog sa YouTube.
collaboration as a cause for celebration. A unifying force rather
Muna ang
than
opening ron sa mga athletic. Kuan, ang Tagum ang nagdala sa kuan karon sa Maraa.
as this is an indicator
Ma'am, vlogger ma'am, si Biyahilo Channel sa YouTube ta YouTube. Facebook, kagwapa sila ha oy.
clean, fresh, playing uniform at the end of the week
Nata diri ron sa opening sa
and not
Maraa.
surpassing one's previous performance. Our loudest shout out to the local chief executives of the 5 provinces and 6 cities of Davao Region, of the 11 athletic delegations who are considered the top star senders, and for making the participation of this delegation very possible.
Live ta sa YouTube sir, lagi.
Continue their greatness and keep rising.
Oh, pwede ta magpahilot, libre.
Dabawenyo. And so, friends,
Vlogger sir, si Biyahilot.
subscribers, followers, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the biggest and grandest sporting event of Davao Region.
Ako hikapon. Libre ni wala ni bayad. Video ko ga. 2 milyon na ta.
Thank you very much once again, our Assistant Regional Director of Davao Region 11, Sabi R.
Muna pinakanindot sir, dili ka makuyawan. Pinakalami, lingkod sir.
It is with great honor and privilege
Ipano na ko na.
at this
Oh.
distinguished leader who
Pinakanindot, pinakasarap.
continues to uplift and inspire educators and learners.
Pinakalami ka ni.
Massage boy, therapist.
Welcome, the Regional Director of DepEd Region 11, RRG
Kamay sir. Hawak mo. Pinakabuhok ko. Nakakayo. Ha? Karamdam mo? Oo, what was siya? Loads. Sakit si kapon, pero pag mawala, mamperte kalami. Kabila. Tanawag na pa ba yung nabilin? Paminawag mayo. Oh, wala na. Oh, pwede na mo gamitin mong dila. Sige, istorya, kaya ang dila ginagamit ko.
Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat.
Oh,
Madayay Davao,
sir, bugno kay kang diri
sa ating mga local government officials,
Grabe
of
tingnan
course,
sir, sir.
headed
Sir, ibutang ng haplas, ayaw mo pagpaduot. Grabe tong style na to diya.
Governor of the province of Davao
Dili siya mali,
Norte.
kay mo na ikitaw tradisyonal. Pero karon mga bagong teori sir, haplas na yun. Ayaw yun mo anak, kay kung paana ka sir, lamian ka, unod. Bayad pa ka 350 to 550.
In the
30
different
o 1
committees
hour.
of this year's
Kanaw
Tabraan,
mo nagbayo.
headed by our
Ha?
provincial
Siya,
administrator.
mawala na siya, tungkol sa mainit man eh. Haplas, taon, matinga kang ano, nawala. Para sa sakit.
Governor Minyoy, whose dinamik na hapon,
Terus kayo, hindi ko nung naglalo. Kana.
RBC Committee niya
Bangon
recognize.
ka, bangon ka.
The Governor of the province of Davao,
Tingin,
Governor Dorothy Gonzaga, and the members of the Sangguniang Pagdalawang.
bintiha kaniyo. Nalay na.
Mayor Alvin Rey,
Yes,
of the city of
una ka ng upat ni mo. Kaya karon padulong pa lang ka. Kani.
gusto ko lang magpaparinig sa ibang players.
Ibang YouTube ay patay ka ng bula kita tuhi.
March 7,
Bula kayo. Oo, bula kayo. Ayaw pabutan na din ng upatin. Kay lalak-lalak na siya. Kaya umpisa pa na. Kaligitan ka na. Ganun din. Ano mo pangitaon? Kauna, ano ka uli? Karon na.
ngunit ang susunod na rin yung iba
Epektuhan, sir. Sir, kini, sakit pa rin, no? Ayaw yung patamak sa bata. Kaya nga, no, ang uban, matawag. Walang bata, asawa. Tawag diri.
Hindi ko patabak sa iya, ako patabak.
Ako gani. Ang bata, mo na pinaka-standard na kung ginaano ang bata. Kanang asawa, kung wala ang bata, mo na nga madisgrasya ni. Ikit ni man ito, ah. Karon, kung madisgrasya, sir, kay imo manggi testingan ang akuan. Mahay ka ng tod, gano? Dako kay gasto. Bawas na, di na yung kakaplas na kung saon. Yan ang kakaplas na.
Joseph Tagas of the city of Vigo,
Swerte krami ang pamati.
Vice Mayor Jomari Banya,
Wala
and the
eh.
members of the Sangguniang
Imo ra ning uyugon, kamot. Yung pinakahumot ning haplas na diwa.
officials
Nga ang imuhang 350 di ka magbahay.
representing the different conditional
Oh,
districts.
kana magbahay pa ba ka?
This year,
Kunya og lahi mo kamatit diri ma'am sir. Ayaw mo pangita kasi mo tabang na first dito sa high blood. Kasi kanan pagkiling motor. Especially tanik sakitan gani.
friends, ladies and gentlemen,
Ramay oh. Kina. Ayaw tong way sakit kay
our
ibig
guest
sabihin
speaker for this afternoon has
Naman, ibig
served
sabihin,
more than 2 decades in
pag
public
sakit man ron,
service.
time po
9 years as
Oh, trawa,
congressman,
baka gipis din, anak kayo.
representing the
Wala
province of
naman po.
Aurora
Oh, ikaw ma'am.
in 11 years as
Try ka.
senator. Education has always been close to his heart. As
Ma'am,
a
ayaw din ma'am kay
legislator,
gawas na mabuno.
he has authored more than
Tingala ka, nanana kayo mga bukol
300
sa abot kay sa 3 days, sakit
many
na po.
of
Tawag na
which
po.
have advanced the educational system.
Aplase na lang perme, makaingon na kahalo nawala.
These include
Kay, ang imong
free
gipangita, ang kanto naman.
kindergarten,
Kuhan niya.
free
Pagkabot
college
ng 3 days,
education,
bukol na po.
and the Anti-Bullying Act, the Lateralized Education Act, the Student Fair Discount Act,
Kana.
the Second Congressional Commission on Education, and many others. He comes from a family of educators. His mother was a former teacher, and his father was the former president of the University of the Philippines. He was a former lecturer of the College of Law of New Tierra University and the School of Law and Jurisprudence at Central
Oh, sa
Escolar
uban, sa una mga
University.
traditional, ana ko nagmaayo.
He completed his studies at Xavier School, the London School of Economics,
Tingog
the
na gud.
University of the
Oh,
Philippines College of
napa ba
Law,
ma'am?
and the Harvard
Oh,
Law
ang
School.
importante,
In July
basta ang importante ka mao.
2024,
Tanawan
he
mo
was
ng record
appointed
kung
by
tinuod ba ni.
President
Nanatay ko siya,
Ferdinand
magtingin ko na
Marcos
itong viewers.
to lead
Kunya ang
the
atong nahiro nga
Department of
video,
Education.
nanatay
Friends,
8,000 na
ladies
yun.
and gentlemen,
Oh.
together with our schools division
Kaya kasama ng
superintendent,
kuwan, ka ng papel ako yata mo. Makita man mo dito. Comment mo ka. Alim pa, deliver pa, comment.
Amo deliver ka?
as we
Deliver
welcome
po kung
our
Kay
honored
taga-adlaw sa
speaker,
galakaw man ko sa Dakos
the
Davao.
Secretary of the Department of Education,
Napakadiri.
Honorable Juan Edgardo Sonny Angara,
Lunes mo gudugma.
to deliver the message
Juan,
in
bakuon ka
his
City,
behalf.
Tagum City, nako pamilya ko
Friends,
na, balon mo.
ladies and gentlemen,
Aminyo na
we
po
would
ako mga anak.
like to welcome the Honorable
Ako kanina mo diri sakit ma'am.
Secretary of the Department of Education in
Pila naman na
charge
Center
of
50.
procurement and special projects.
Aw.
The Honorable Undersecretary, Attorney Rowena Candice Ruiz.
Kaya ni mo sa 300, pwede stress. Ha? Kana ba kana? Ayun no, bisita man yan ranim. Mani mo bigo, pati mo ka matulog mo rin. Ay, abi sa mga ligo daw mo matulog ka aircon na. Mo na ma-process kami dito. Oh, ano, bugnaw ba yan ang aircon ng electric fan? Pagpunta ka na di, manguwan sila diri. Ang gahi mo mga nerves, mo na nga ning haplas. Di siya kapilit, kay init man eh.
Everyone who made this activity possible, and most importantly, to our athletes and your family, a pleasant afternoon, almost evening to all of you. Maayong hapon sa tanan. It is indeed an honor for me to represent Sec Sonny Angara to be with you today and join you at the 2025 Davraag
Kunya, hindi mo makakuan yung mga bata nga kuan siya.
RD Alan is correct that Saxony starts
Palikuron mo
with
karang
close
10 days, 5 days,
celebration.
palikuron mo
You know that more than that, he's also very much a sports enthusiast. Did you know which game Saxony plays?
nakalingkod na ano na ba.
Anyone? Basketball. So you go Google or on YouTube and find out how well Saxony plays basketball. So allow me this morning to congratulate all of
Kita man
you
mo dito sir kay
because your presence this afternoon
kay
is
hinay
a
si Calgary.
Hinay.
Nag-live man ko.
Dito daw ang isulog dire doon.
Nagtuyo na nila basta ingon ana.
Okay, para security, no?
Dili kay
Salamat
ka,
kayo, boss, ha?
di kay kabuylo ang mga kuan ba.
Sound mind and body with sports. Did you know that
Amo text me.
Wala dai mo Gcash, dili na mo Gcash. Gcash lang.
Wala mi. Hinay po kayo sir. Ayaw lang.
Indeed, no matter your talent,
Oo, unsa lang mi. Salamat kayo. ha?
Thank you.
Kitan gyud mo diri baba gyud nagdaw mo tuma.
Nana siya.
Nana dito, nilaguto.
Oh, lami na kayo na kayo. Lami na kayo na ma'am, pindot na. Okay, okay.
towards a full-rounded educational
Litson
development.
tagto. Oo,
Tireless training, hard work, and
Saka pohon. Sigurado.
in honing further your talents and instilling the right values that will best prepare you in life. Sports teaches us much more than physical agility. It instills in us the value of perseverance and integrity in anything we do. But beyond this, sports foster teamwork and camaraderie, which I guarantee you will need to successfully navigate through your adulthood. As our beloved Education Secretary Sonny Angara once said, we must put all our best thoughts, our best intentions, and our best actions together to achieve the best results. Thus, sports is not just about winning competitions or collecting medals. It's about having the right